Welcome everybody. Now I'm going to discuss about age calculation with Python. To start with, I shall discuss age by years only. Then I shall show you the limitation of year calculation and I shall discuss age calculation by years, month and days. At the beginning, it seems that age calculation is very simple, but this is not so because a year is not exactly 365 days long, but rather nearly 365.25 days long. Moreover, months are not of equal length. Some months are 30 days long, some months are 31 days long. February normally 28 days, but in leap year case it is 29 days. So if we consider this in simple form, to calculate age, first we have to subtract birth year from present year, then we have to subtract 1 if the tuple of birthday month and day is greater than the tuple of today's month and day. If it's not so, then you have to subtract 0. So with this in Python syntax, we can write age is equal to today's year minus birthday's year minus the tuple in logical form, tuple of today's month and day less than tuple of birthday month and day. With this we can write a function. Here I have shown you a function age with argument date of birth. Before running this code, we need to execute from date and time, import date and time. That means we should import date and time. At the very beginning, first read the today's date. So today this variable will contain the present date. Then simply age can be calculated by subtracting birthday year from today's year and then subtracting the logical terms today's month and day less than birthday's month and day. So this will return age in integer form. For example, if we consider date of birth is 1st January 2000 and present time is 7th of February 2023, then age will be 23. But if the date of birth is 1st of March 2000 and present time is 7th of February 2023, then age will be 22. The uneven number of days in a year causes this problem. For example, if date of birth is 1st January 2000 and current time is 1st January 2018, then this routine will display 18. Number of days in this case is 6575 and number of leap years in between is 5. But if the date of birth is 1st January 2001 and current time is 1st January 19, then the again age will be 18 and with this 6574 because there are 4 leap years in between. So in both cases age will be 18. Since number of days in between is 6574 and 75, so age should be 17 and 18. To calculate this, we must consider years, month and days. Considering this, I have written this function age2 with 2 arguments, birthday and today. First of all, I have taken the difference of today and birth date. Then I have taken the days of this difference by the days function of date and time. Now to calculate years, I have subtracted birthday from today and taken out the days. Then I have taken integer division by 365.25. Now to calculate the month and days, first of all I have taken the remainder of today's by dividing is 365. I perform this remainder operation by modulo operation of 365. Then month I have calculated by dividing remainder with integer division of 30, and days I have calculated by modulo operation of 30 of remainder. So this function will return 4 terms: total days, year, month and days. Now if we consider the date of birth is 1st January 2000 and present time is 1st January 18, this function will return 18 years 5 days and 6574 days in between. But if the date of birth is 1st January 2001 and present time is 1st January 2019, so this function will return total days 6574, years 70 and 4 days. So we have seen that age calculus is not trivial. We have to consider month, days, year and leap years. It requires arithmetic operation like integer division and modulo operation. In the next presentation, I shall discuss about implementation of these two functions using Jupyter Notebook. I hope all listeners have learned something about age calculation. Those who are expert can implement this in other programming language also. Hope you success. Thank you.